guys, my name is Andersen and we are talking about investing on this channel. Crypto, stocks, everything. So today I'll be unpacking my Ledger Nano X to keep my cryptocurrency safe and secure. So this is my Ledger Nano X, and guys, if you really want to own your crypto, you should consider buying something like this. Today we're gonna be unboxing this Ledger Nano X, and also I will show you the whole setup process. So let's see if it really worth the money. By the way, Ledger has different models, and exactly this one is great if you have not only Bitcoin but also a lot of altcoins and you want to keep them safe. You can install 100 apps at the same time, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and more than 1800 different tokens. And to learn more about which crypto assets are supported, just go and check it out on the official website. And guys, if you will decide to buy Ledger Nano X after watching this video, make sure you are using the only official website. I will leave a link for you in the description so that you can be 100% sure that it's official and absolutely safe. It's actually my personal Ledger affiliate link with no additional cost to you. Don't use any other websites, it's unsafe and you can lose all your crypto. Buy only from the official website, guys. When I bought my Ledger Nano X, the price was 119 euros and I think it worth this money because it's your crypto safety. So this is the box, and as you can see, it has a plastic cover protection, which is very good. Never use hard wallets with damaged or without any plastic protection because it can be unsafe. So let's remove it now. Okay guys, so let's see what inside. The box and the presentation is quite cool. I really like the quality. Let's open it now and see what's inside. We have a device itself here, and guys, you know it has also a Bluetooth, and I'll talk about it a little later in this video. So let's see. Well, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's pretty heavy, I would say, but the quality is really cool. We will remove this thing because we don't need it. Nice. It says made in France. And now guys, let's see what else we have in this box. So here we have a welcome card, and also we have some stickers. We have use care and regular statement, we have getting started set, and also we have 3 pieces of paper, and this will be your 24-word recovery seed. And guys, just be sure that you will keep those pieces of paper in a safe place. You will never make any screenshots of them, and of course you will never send or never share it with anyone, because in case if your device will be damaged or lost or stolen, you will be able to synchronize a new device with your recovery seed. So that's how you will not lose your crypto. Also, we have USB-C cable, and the quality of it is super cool, guys. And now let's set up a wallet and see how it all works. And we have 2 buttons here, left and right. Using them, I'll set up my Ledger Nano X. But first of all, guys, you need an application called Ledger Live, and you will find it here on the official Ledger website. Using this application, you will be controlling your device, and also you can download this application to your mobile phone, but more on that later. Firstly, I recommend you to use a desktop version for setup, because you will be using this cable to connect your device to your laptop or computer, and let's do it right now. I downloaded the version for my Mac, and now let's set up my Ledger. Okay, terms and conditions, of course. It says, what's your device? My device is Nano X. Set up a new Nano X. Let's start and set up your device. Okay. Your crypto assets are stored on the blockchain. You need a private key to access and manage them. Okay, I know this already. Your private key is stored within your Nano. You must be the only one who owns it to be in control of your money. Yeah, that's true. Your Nano works as a cold storage wallet. This means it never exposes your private key online, even when using the app. Great. Validate transactions. Ledger Life allows you to buy, sell, manage, exchange, and earn crypto while remaining protected. Excellent. Let's set up your Nano. Okay, let's do it. So guys, the best way to get started, plan 30 minutes and take your time. Don't worry guys, I will make it faster. Grab a pen to write with. Yeah, it's important. Stay alone and choose a safe and quiet environment. Yeah, that's important. Okay, I'm ready. Make sure you follow the instructions on this app at every step of the process. Great. First step, turn on Nano. Connect your device to your computer with the USB cable. Okay, let's do it. I'll connect it to my Mac. Great. And guys, as you can see, my ledger says welcome to Ledger Nano X. Press right button to continue. Okay. It says download Ledger Live at ledger.com, start, then press right. So I already downloaded my app. I will just press the right button. You can also press left or right button to browse through menus and lists. Let's do it quickly. Okay. Hold both buttons anytime to access Control Center to power off and more. Start Ledger Live. Set up a new device. Restore from recovery. And now guys, let's set up a new device. Confirm this option with pressing the both buttons at the same time. Like this. And as you can see guys, my battery is not ready yet, so I'll charge it a little and then I'll come back to you.
1 hour later.
Now after it's fully charged, it says choose PIN code of 4 to 8 digits. So guys, let's do it together. Also, I will click next step here on my desktop app. And it says your PIN code is the first layer of security. It physically secures access to your private key and your Nano. Your PIN code must be 4 to 8 digits long. Okay, I understand that. Set up PIN code. Press the left or right button to change digits. Press both buttons to validate a digit. Enter your PIN code again to confirm it. Okay, let's do it. Hit those two buttons. And now let's choose the PIN code. I really recommend you to use all the 8 digits. So like this, you will choose your digits. And to confirm this digit, just press 2 buttons. Now confirm your PIN code the same way.
A lot of boring math later.
And now guys, the most important part. Write down your recovery phrase. I will also click the next step here on my app. And it also says me recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is a secret list of 24 words that backs up your private keys. Your Nano generates a unique recovery phrase. Ledger does not keep a copy of it. Now I'm going to the next step, my recovery phrase. You will need your pen and your 3 pieces of paper where you're gonna write down all those 24 words. I really recommend you to write down 3 times the same words, not to make any mistake. I'm clicking my 2 buttons again and it says secure your 24 words carefully. I know this, okay? And now I will click my right button and I will see the first word. I will write it down to my piece of paper and then I will click again and write down the whole 24 words. So I will come back to you in a couple of minutes.
5 minutes later.
Now we have to confirm our recovery phrase and again, just clicking those 2 buttons together. And I will be confirming my recovery phrase. And it gives me some options of the word 1. So I have to choose which one is from my list and press those 2 buttons again. And the final one, word number 24. Okay, great. My device is ready. Also, I will click the next step on my app. Okay, hide your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is your last chance to access your crypto if you cannot use your Nano. You must keep it in a safe place. And guys, this is really important. Enter these words on a hardware wallet only, not on your computer or smartphones. Never share your 24 words with anyone, not even Ledger, because Ledger will never ask you to send your 24 words. There are a lot of scammers now, so be really careful. Okay, now I will click I'm done. Answer 3 simple questions to avoid common misconceptions about your hardware wallet. Okay, as a Ledger user, my crypto is stored on my Nano on the blockchain. Of course, on the blockchain. Congrats. Thank you. Next question. If my recovery phrase is no longer secure or private, no problem, Ledger can send me a copy. My crypto is no longer safe and I need to transfer them to a secure place. Of course, the second one. Congrats! Thank you! Next one. When I connect my Nano to the Ledger app, my private key is still offline, briefly connected to the internet. Of course, my private key is still offline. Congrats! Great! Thank you! You are ready to safely manage your crypto. Only one quick step left. Okay, let's click next step. Click check my Nano, and here I can see that my device is ready. I will choose access to dashboard and press those two buttons. Hello Ledger, manage on your device. Yes. Oh great, all good. Awesome. Now I will hit continue. And now add an account to get started. Add an account to start managing your crypto assets. You must have the app for your crypto asset installed on your device. Okay, add account. And now guys, I can choose a crypto asset. Let's choose, for example, I can choose, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, XRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and a lot of different assets. And for now, okay, let's just add, for example, Ethereum, continue, chicken app dependencies, and now my Ledger says processing. Open app Ethereum, open the Ethereum app on your device. Okay, press that two buttons again. Application is ready. Great. Synchronizing. And now I can give a name of this account. Let's name it Ethereum 2021. Add account. Account added successfully. Add other accounts or return to portfolio. Okay, done. And now guys, I can click here on accounts and I can see my Ethereum 2021 account. This is an account I just made. Let's click on it. And right away from here, I can buy or receive. And for now, I even don't need my Ledger because I will make everything from my app. So let's send some Ethereum to my Ledger. I will have to press receive, continue. And here I can see my Ethereum address. Or I can also make a QR code. Also, you will have to verify that the shared address exactly matches the one on your device and click those two buttons again. And guys, just for the example, I will send $5 of Ethereum from my Coinbase account right to my Ledger. And all I have to do is just $5, continue, scan my QR code. Preview sent and send now. And it's done. And surprise, surprise guys, I already have here my $5 of Ethereum. So it works. Everything is great. Also, you can use your Ledger Nano X with your mobile phone. Just don't forget to upload the right app. It's called Ledger Live Crypto Wallet. Once again, if you will decide to buy Ledger Nano X after watching this video, make sure you are using the only official website. I will leave a link for you in the description. Well guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to check out those great videos. Take care, stay safe, bye!